Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jeff with the fresh cut. You already know what's going on. On today's video, I'm gonna show you guys my new headlights that I got for the truck. Shout out to the homies at HID Kitz in Houston. Shipped them out to me. Real helpful guys and shit going on, you know what I mean? So yeah, I installed them this morning. It was literally plug and play. Let me show you guys what I have. Let's go. Fuck boys, you already know, got the G-Shock. Force on deck. But there it is, guys. You got the LED, what do you call this shit? I forgot the name, guys, but if you guys know, everybody's rocking the ones with the orange side markers. This one have clear side markers. They look fucking clean, guys. I'm telling you guys. Look at it. Fuck. Fucking clean, guys. Let me show you guys how they look with the lights on and shit. My lights are they're wired to where like they only turn on when the sensor detects that it's dark. You know what I mean? It's weird. Like I can show you guys what I mean. So literally, like if I do anything like here, this shit doesn't do anything because they're hooked up to where it automatically turns on with the fucking sensor. Show you guys how they look. That's how it looks, guys. It's hella clean. If anything, I'm just gonna change the light bulbs, get some LEDs, and get white LED for the bottom ones instead of orange, so it looks more clean. But yeah, guys, this bitch looks clean as fuck. Oh damn. So yeah, guys, hit the guys up at HID Kitz. They'll ship it to you and shit. But yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video. Nothing has changed on the truck. Everything's still the same. I'm gonna be ordering the headers so that way they get here by the time I get back from Texas, because I'm coming back and forth all the time from Texas. So that's what I'm doing, guys. So I'm gonna order the headers, possibly the posse diff, is because I don't know who can install it for me. That's the fucking problem. I don't know who can install it. So I'm trying to figure out like who, where, how much, you know. And then want to get some new wheels, but I think I'm just gonna sell these and get some fucking 20s, like some fucking cheap wheels, you know, because I want to go hard when I get my wheels. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys liked the video. Hit up the guys at HID Kitz for any type of part that you need, tail lights, headlights, fucking anything, guys. So I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.